Look, I get it. I run an automotive education, consulting, and DIY channel for a reason. Honda wanted to charge me $60 for this part, and I'm gonna show you how I just put it back together with a little bit of super glue. Good luck.
Ka-chow!
The little plastic tab snapped off and I was able to recover both of them and super glue them back on. Here's the completed repair. The bottom half sits into a little ledge in the top half, so just be aware of this when you're snapping them together. Make sure to fit the accented part here. It can only go in one way. Remember to include this spacer. The back end of the top half lines up with the recessed directional fin inside the vent. Then you snap the two halves together. Check for proper operation, and voila! Saved yourself $60.
If you can't repair your part with a little bit of super glue, there are actually replacements. They're generic. You can even find them at Walmart. I'll put a link in the description.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.